All right, it's a pretty morning out here. Kind of cool, cloudy still. Tons of birds around. No people, nobody fishing. That's a good thing. But we're gonna paddle out here, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna drop some cut shad down to the bottom and see if we can find bowfin or catfish. And the other thing we'll be doing is floating one, and I just saw a huge bowfin jump right over there. But the other thing we'll be doing is floating a bait under a bobber and seeing if we can pick up a large gar out here as well. I will catch you when we have baits in the water. We got a gar picking up there right now, I think. Bobber's moving slowly. And I think he dropped it. Frustrating morning. Nice. Got it. I just had to cast again for him to get interested. Yeah, now he really took it. Oh, he's dumping line now. Always an interesting hook set from a kayak though. Let's see if we can get him. I don't see my bobber yet, but there's some pressure. This fish is fighting weird, whatever it is. It's not big either. Doesn't feel like. Coming right to me. There's a little jerk, but it does not feel like much of a fish here. Unless it's a... What do we got? Can't even tell what we have. That's a smaller gar. It's fish though. We will paddle over and deal with him at the dock. That'll be a little easier. I will catch you over there and we'll take a look at our fish. All right. Don't get my line there too. Yeah. Alright. Well, there's our first little fish of the morning. Only a couple pounds. Kind of cool looking though, huh? Alright. We just got that first gar. That was only our second bite though. And it's been pretty windy over in that direction, so I just kind of told the guy and his kid that that might be a decent spot to go for maybe cats and bowfin. They were just fishing with worms, so I figured smaller catfish I have their best chance over there. So I'm gonna actually try to paddle to a spot that I haven't really fished before. I don't really have a ton more time, so I'm hoping this ain't just a short one fish video, but we'll see. Well, my call to try it over here was not worth it. It's actually windier and the water's kind of funneling through here, and it's just pushing me out so much that I can't really keep the lines where I need to. But we're gonna call it a day there. I might take a few casts back by the dock, but I think that's about time for me to get to work. But had fun getting one fish at least. Take it easy.